My name is Jamie Jackson. I'm a Marine Superintendent, and we are on site at the New Jersey Windport. What they plan on doing is manufacturing the windmills from start to finish at this facility. The talent that I had the opportunity to work with down here was bar none some of the best I've ever worked in my career. When you've done this for a little while, you can obviously tell when somebody knows what they're doing. They've had practice in their trade. And the people that we've had down here, they're all union labor, so they're well trained from the start. Normally, if somebody were to work in a trade like this, they'd have to go to Philadelphia or Wilmington or someplace like that. It brings it home to South Jersey. No one person can build this alone. I've got a very good team of people around me. And what everybody has brought to the table on this project has been absolutely amazing. And when you can look back on it and say, wow, I had a big part in building all this, it's an achievement.